Hello everyone, friends. Today on the channel, I'll show how to make a video from a picture in CapCut. By the way, it works the same on your phone as it does on computer, so don't worry. Let's open CapCut and now I'll find it. And basically, you'll need to select a photo for your video. For this, I'll go to my computer and for example, I have this photo here. There. Click Accept. And to turn it into a video, I'll create a project. Yes, create a project. And I'll move the photo here. On your phone, just upload the photo. Next, I'll move it to the project. There. And I'll stretch it to my desired duration. Yes, the amount of time I need. You can also add some visual effects here, animations, whatever works for you. After that, you just need to save the project. To do this, click Export. Click Export. Now it's processing. There, and then save our video to a folder. There, and now this picture has become a video. This was with you. Goodbye, everyone.